If your auto repair shop is not showing up when people search mechanic near me, you are handing revenue to competitors. AI can help you create location-based website pages, service pages, blog posts, and Google Business Profile updates that target the exact searches local customers use. For example, build pages for brake repair in, check engine light diagnosis in, or AC repair for trucks in. AI tools can identify keyword opportunities, organize content, suggest headlines, and optimize copy without making it sound robotic. For auto repair shops, this matters because local intent searches are high converting. The customer searching usually needs service soon. AI can also help you create FAQs, neighborhood pages, and seasonal content, like pre-road trip inspections or summer AC checks. This improves visibility without relying only on paid ads. Higher local rankings bring more free traffic, more calls, and more service inquiries over time. Strong SEO can become one of the most cost-effective, long-term growth channels. Choose 3 top-margin services and create AI-assisted local SEO pages for each one this month.